There's a cozy home in Hamilton's East End just waiting for you to take a look. And if you're lucky enough to call it home one day, you'll get to enjoy everything that this unique location has to offer. Lovingly cared for over the years, this 3-bed, 1-bath home is perfectly located with easy access to the Red Hill, walking distance to schools and playgrounds, as well as being close to shopping corridors, including La Coco's, a favorite grocery store for locals. The main floor features an entryway with a front hall closet, renovated kitchen that opens onto the living room with a beautiful accent wall, and large windows allowing the natural light to brighten the space. The full updated bathroom across the hall from the versatile bedroom allows for main floor living potential. You could also utilize the space as a dining room. The versatility allows you to make this home work for your needs. The back deck is accessible from the hallway and the sliding doors and is the perfect vantage point for enjoying the gardens around the in-ground pool. With a ground level patio space, this fenced backyard is the perfect escape in the city. Upstairs, the 2 bedrooms with dormers for natural light create the ideal space to relax and unwind. In the basement, you'll find a large rec room perfect for hanging out for a game of darts, cards, or relaxing with your favorite show, as well as the large laundry room with storage. With McQueston's walking path, community gardens, and playground across the street, enjoying the neighborhood's amenities couldn't be easier. If hiking is your jam, you'll love how close you are to the Red Hill Valley Trail, which allows you to conveniently access Confederation Park for all of the fun this unique conservation area on Lake Ontario has to offer. You can also take a challenging but incredibly scenic hike in the other direction and end up at Albion Falls. If you'd like to learn more or book a tour, let's connect.